this is how you underhand braid for beginners. Okay, you're going to carve out the section to your desired size. You're going to comb the top to the middle and the bottom to the middle so you can have the braid right here in the center. Okay, next you're going to separate your 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so for the underhand braid, you're going to take the piece on the end and you're going to put it over the piece that was in the middle. Same thing on this side. You're going to take the hair on the end, put it over the centerpiece, and repeat. Take the hair on the end, put it over the centerpiece. And then keep going straight down, in, center, and go over. Even though this is the underhand braid, you're going to take the ends and put it over the center pieces. So it's the opposite for the overhand braid. Congrats, you just finished learning how to do the underhand braid. Follow to learn how to do the overhand braid. Stay practicing.